Today I want to talk to you about this high altitude trek team t-shirt. I've been very often asked, why do I wear it? Why do I wear it so proudly? Why do I wear it at work? Why do I wear it especially when people are around? And I want to tell you that this is not a piece of clothing, it's not a t-shirt actually. It's a statement that I make. It's a statement that I am part of a very special group of people who do this high altitude treks, especially in the Himalayas. So when I'm in a gathering, it makes me stand out. I have very often seen people read this and they come up and talk to me. They say, okay, you are a high altitude, what does it mean? Where have you been? What treks have you done? And the conversation flows. But what it does is it makes me feel incredibly special in a group of people, because I know not many have done a high altitude trek like how I do or I represent. So this high altitude trek team, you will notice we are using the word team. We are not talking about high altitude treks. We are part of a group of people who are uniquely special in our country, and the number is very, very few. There are very few people who have actually done high altitude treks. And when you look at the Himalayas, Himalayas is unique to the world. There is not many mountain ranges which are that high and as mighty as the Himalayas. And we are trekkers of the mighty Himalayas. So when I wear this, I'm wearing it knowing that I'm representing a small cluster of people who are the high altitude trek team. And that's why this is not just a t-shirt, it's a statement that I'm making.